Rhythm Show Choir from Kiel High School are here in the studio for Sounds of the Season.
Yeah, here they are singing Santa's Night Before Christmas.
'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. All the stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in the hope that St. Nicholas soon would be there. He's bringing lots of toys, for girls, lots of toys, and for boys, lots of toys. But wait until you see that Merry Christmas tree. So on Dasher, on Dancer, on Prancer, on Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner, on Blitzen, to the top of the roof, to the top of the wall, here they come and they're saying, Merry Christmas to all.
I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. She didn't see me creep down the stairs to have a peep. She thought that I was tucked up in my bedroom fast asleep. Then I saw Mommy tickle Santa Claus underneath his beard so snowy white. Oh, what a laugh it would have been if Daddy had only seen Mommy kissing Santa Claus last night. Don't tell. Ring out the bells on Christmas morning.
Ring out the bells on Christmas morning.
Ring out the bells on Christmas.
Jingle, 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 jingle.
Ring the bells.
Jingle, jingle, jingle.
Ring the jingle bells. Ring the bells. Ring the jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. In a one-horse sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Ring out the